Alright, so OPV 212 students, this is just a very quick preparation for CBTs, and this is for both 1 and 2, but it's not content specific, as I'll indicate a bit later. Alright, you sometimes feel like this fella just confused which answer to choose and just guessing randomly. If you feel that way, I'm here to try and settle your nerves. First of all, considering general multiple choice guidelines, as you'll find with the CBT that you're writing, you have to ensure that you understand what is being asked. Okay, so please just ensure, don't rush through the questions and think that, oh, you know exactly what's being asked. There's sometimes just a verbal challenge that you may have to reread. Some of the questions may read like, which is not, and then you miss the not. So please keep that in mind first of all. Secondly, carefully evaluate each answer. Okay, and as you scan through them, it could be that you identify some of the aspects of the content that you can, in a sense, then on the third bullet point, eliminate some of the clear or clearly indicated wrong answers. Alright, so that's actually well, sometimes we put that in there to, in a sense, confuse you, alright, but if you see it's wrong, it's really wrong, then you can obviously eliminate that question or that answer. Alright, so furthermore, you can imagine now, lastly, if you have 2 options available of the 4 options, okay, don't worry, it's not going to be like on this screen. You're only going to have 4 different options to choose from, but if you have 2 of the questions remaining, just make an educated guess. So your best possible guess by means of making inferences of the answers that's on the screen, and remember then also to time yourself as part of the CBT. Alright, so like I said, this is just a general orientation to help you to calm your nerves. Alright, so first of all, CBT, it's computer generated, so depending if you write CBT 1 or 2, it's based on the chapters that you need to prepare for for CBT 1 and CBT 2, and it's literally generated by the computer, so it's automatically generated, and depending on I don't want to say your luck, but depending on who you are, it's going to differ, so it's not going to be easy to write someone else's answer next to you, and it's really random. Alright, so if you bomb out as part of the CBTs, just consider the implications of just getting the minimum requirements then to actually have access to the final exam. Consider your assignment mark as well as the class test mark that you got. Most probably the CBTs will not have that a bigger impact on your year mark or your semester mark, so keep that in mind. Okay, so lastly, just follow or use the online lectures as basis, and I've given you a few clues and said, oh, this is going to be used for assessment purposes. So go through the lectures, and that'll actually orientate you to know what to do and what to leave out, but don't only use the online lectures and think, oh, you're going to be alright. That's just as basis. So you need to ensure that you've got understanding of all the work, and unfortunately it is hard work, but it's your responsibility to really understand the content and use the lectures as basis. So all of the best, and you're more than welcome to ask your lectures for any additional guidelines. Maybe some of them will be able to help you, others would just have to calm your nerves, but just try your best, and I'm rooting for you.